Custom fields allow you to personalize your post while decreasing repetitive tasks. Let's dive into how easy they are to set up and use with Vista Social. You can use custom fields to create a single post with dynamic fields like URLs, locations, and websites that are unique to each of your social profiles. Setting them up is super simple to do. Once you're logged in from your dashboard, head over to Settings. In the Publishing settings, scroll down to find the option Custom Fields. Once you've selected that option, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the option Add Custom Field. Here's where the magic happens. First off, you'll need to add the name of the field. In this case, for example, I'm going to create one with my brand's website and phone number. Once that's set, you can go ahead and add the value, which would be the brand website. You can then do the same for your phone, address, you name it. Click on Save and you're all set. These will be added to all of your connected profiles. Once you've begun adding the different fields, you can go editing them by profile group or individual profile or network. Once you've set up your custom fields, you can then begin to use them when creating your posts. In your content writer, you'll see an icon with a plus sign, and here is where the custom fields are listed. Click on the one you'd like to add, and in the caption, you'll see the name of the field you've added. But don't worry, in the post preview on the right, you'll see what they will look like in your post once it's published. If you don't want to add them to all the profiles you've selected to your post, you can also add them through the customization area for a specific network on the right-hand side. And you're all set. Now you can take your social media game to the next level and gain so much more engagement for you and your brand. Want to learn more about how you can collaborate with your team members? Check out this next video to see all there is to know.